Hi everyone, welcome to my Diaries 28. This is Dr. Neeti. I hope you guys are doing fine. So please do not change the channel. You have come to the right channel. Basically, this is like my alter ego talking to you. So I usually switch over between two personalities. I have two personalities. One who likes to dress up in a really glamorous way, and the other one who likes to be gothic. So basically, being gothic is like my alter ego. So I usually like dressing up in a gothic way, which I've mentioned earlier also. So gothic is all about lots of piercings. Don't worry, these are not my piercings. Of course, we are in lockdown. How can it be possible? These are only stick-ons, and with a lot of piercings, dressing up in black, coal-laden eyes, and a lot of tattoos, which I do not have yet. So basically, this is like my alter ego talking to you. So I have been inspired by gothic culture, and one of my favorite personality to get inspired from is Bani J. I'm sure you must have seen her in Roadies and in several shows, TV shows, so everybody know who Bani is. So somewhat it is also an inspiration from her, like my hairstyle and all. So that is all about me. And don't worry, I do not have a bipolar. But let us talk about today's video's topic, which is not about me, but it is about a brand which has emerged into Indian market as a giant, and I'm sure you guys must have also tried the products from the same. So I'm talking about Nykaa Cosmetics. Earlier it was like only a cosmetic selling online website, but now they have their own products. So I'll talk about the best and worst of Nykaa products, and I would like to put a disclaimer over here that the views expressed in this video are by my own experiences, are what I've gained from my own experiences. I'm sure everybody has different skin type, different body, and different opinions. So these are like my own opinion. These products might suit you differently, it could like suit you better, but I certainly have something to say about them. So these are like my personal best and worst of Nykaa products. These products could suit you better, so choose wisely. So I would like to clear this fact that by no means I'm defaming a cosmetic company, because there are few products from Nykaa that I love and are really dear to my heart, and there are few products that I did not like. So we'll start off with the worst products, and then we'll go on to the best, and I would like to end this video on a good note. So let us talk about the worst one. So I've made a list over here in my diary. So let us talk about the first worst product that I didn't like was the Nykaa eyebrow pencil. So it was like the retractable one, and I guess it was in the shade chestnut. So the eyebrow pencil was something I did not like, because it was not pigmented, that much pigmented, and I usually, people have different tricks in doing their eyebrows. Some people do tame their hair by spoolie first, and then they go on and add the pencil. I do it like in the reverse manner. I apply the pencil and then I use spoolie to merge the product. And when I tried with this pencil, after applying the product and then applying the spoolie, the product came off completely. So it was like, it was not enough pigmented, it was not long lasting, and it was like with hand you can like remove the product, and I did not like the Nykaa eyebrow pencil. So that is like the first product that I did not like. Moving on to the second product. So let us talk about the second product which I did not like, which was the Nykaa nail paints. I've tried the pastel ones, and usually they come off really quickly, maybe because of my profession where I have to like wash my hands like every now and then. But now these days everybody has to wash their hands again and again, which is like a good practice. So these nail paints are not worth it, because they come off like really easily. Now moving on to the third product which I did not like was the Nykaa Essential Natural Oils, face oils, which is basically, if you can see, I've done a review of Huda Beauty foundation. So my skin is usually dry, so I went to Nykaa Lux store, which is in Tagore Garden, Delhi. So I went to that store to buy the Huda Beauty foundation, and they told me that you have to apply a moisturizer or something before the foundation, because Huda Beauty foundation is also drying. So they advised me to buy the Nykaa natural oils, and I've got one. And basically the combination of that oil and that foundation was not at all worth it, because after applying that oil, my foundation was like coming off. So separately also I've tried the oil, but I did not like it, because it actually makes your skin really oily. B, again, like after few hours you are like back to dryness, and C, it does not give any glow. So if you are looking for a good natural face oil, I would not suggest you to buy Nykaa oil. Now moving on to the fourth product which I did not like from Nykaa, which was Nykaa Gloss. So Nykaa lip I know lip glosses tend to wear off really easily, but coming from someone who has dry lips, the gloss was not worth it. It never lasted long. And if you really need a good hydrating lip gloss, try the one from Note Cosmetics, and it actually stays for like a really longer time as compared to the other lip glosses. Lip glosses usually do not stay on your lips for a long period of time, but the lip gloss from Note Cosmetics is like really nice. I have it even like in my bag right now. Let me show it to you. Gloss that I'm talking about, it is by Note Cosmetics, and this lip gloss is like really nice. And as far as lip glosses are concerned, that's quite a lot of staying power. This stays for the longer period of time, coming from someone who has like dry chapped lips. So this is something that you should invest your money in, because it's like a good lip gloss. Now moving on to the last product from Nykaa, which I did not like, were the Nykaa sheet mask, because firstly, I do not believe in investing money in sheet masks because their results never last long, and secondly, I would rather invest that much money in a moisturizer, in a cream, which would which I would be having like for a longer period of time. So and nevertheless, as far as sheet masks are concerned, there are few sheet masks that are great, but Nykaa's Skin Secrets sheet masks were not at all nice. I've already done a review. So even after applying the mask, immediately, even after removing the mask, you could see like there was absolutely no result. There was no glow, nothing. Before, after, your skin was practically the same. So I did not like the Nykaa sheet mask. Now moving on to something which is better. I'm talking about the best of Nykaa products that I vouch for, and if you haven't tried, you have to try those products because they are really worth it. So now moving on to the best of Nykaa products basically. So I'll talk about the best products because I want to end this video on a good note. So let me talk about the thing that I've recently purchased, which is Nykaa Wanderlust body scrub and the fragrance of this French lavender. Awesome. And I've tried this scrub and it's really nice. So as you can see, it's almost empty. Here the product is it's almost empty, and it's really nice. If you're looking for a good body scrub, this is one you should invest your money in. And there are other scrubs also, but I really like this one. I would be repurchasing this again. Now moving on to the eyes. So let us talk about the eyes first. So let us talk about the second product that I loved, which was the Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal. So it's like a really nice kajal, cheap and affordable, and it never smudged. Since I worked outside also in sweat and in like tough conditions, but this kajal was something that refused to smudge, and it's for a retractable kajal. It's like really nice. You can see that I've used it completely, and it also suits the sensitive eyes. Since I have sensitive eyes, so if some of you have sensitive eyes, you can try this kajal. It's really nice. So this is like the affordable and the best kajal. Now moving on to the second kajal from Nykaa, which is also worth it, which is what I'm applied today, which is the Nykaa I'm Bold Kajal. So this kajal is really nice, and it is better than the Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal because it also this kajal do not smudge that much, but after like 4 or 5 hours you can see that it started coming off. But this kajal, it refused to smudge at all. So this is like one of the best purchases ever. What I'm saying, purchases ever. So this is the kajal. So the only bummer part is that you have to sharpen it, but it comes with a sharpener along with it. So this is the only thing that I do not like, and I'm very lazy, so I rather believe in having the retractable product. And sharpening the product also lead to wastage as well, so you can't help it. This kajal comes with the sharpener as well, so you have to sharpen it, but otherwise, all in all, this kajal is really nice. Now moving on to the third thing, which is like my the fourth thing, which is like my best ever thing that I've ever got in my life, which is the Nykaa Matte to Last lip color, especially in the shade 15 Le Pondy. This is like my second tube that I've got, and this is like the amazing, actually it is my perfect MLBB shade. So what is MLBB shade? MLBB means my lips but better. So it is this lip color is like lip shade is quite similar to my original lip color. So I will swatch it for you. So this is like my original lip color. So this color is quite similar to me and it suits me a lot. So this is like my second or third, I do not even remember, and it is like quite long lasting and it gives you like beautiful matte finish without even drying your lips. So coming from someone who has dry lips, this lipstick will not, this liquid lipstick will not settle in your cracks and will not give you more drier lips. Matte lipsticks usually tend to give you more drying effect to your lips, but this does not do that. So moving on to the last product which I do not have with me right now, which is Nykaa Mattelicious Lip Crayon. I must have given it to somebody or must have misplaced it, but that lip crayon is a must have because the pigmentation refused to come out and it stays on your lips for the longer period of time, giving you again that perfect luscious lips without drying it out. So if you want to have a good pout and you want to have a good color on your lips, try the Nykaa Mattelicious Lip Crayon. So all the products in my bestest range are affordable ones, since we'll be moving on to the economic crisis after this corona, so we can't help it. So most of my products, almost all the products are like really affordable, you can buy those. But some of you might be thinking that I've not given my review on the foundation, concealer, compact, because to be really honest, I haven't tried the foundation, concealer and compact from Nykaa Cosmetics. So obviously if I haven't tried it, I can't review it. So those were the only products that I've tried, and few of them I've liked and few of those were like not nice for me. So those were like my best and worst of Nykaa Cosmetics. So guys, those were like my best and worst of Nykaa Cosmetics. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll be returning back with a new video, and until then, just pray to God that this virus go away, because it has disrupted so many lives in India and abroad. It has disrupted so many plans of the young people, of the young gothics. Even I made so many plans. So because of this virus, everything has come to an end. So I don't know when the world will get normal. So just pray to God that this virus go away, and I will meet you with another video. Until then, keep rocking. So in the end, I would like to leave you with the entire outfit, what I am wearing and everything. If you want to see the entire look, so watch the video till the end.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're going.